Hello everyone, welcome my channel for technology. Today I discuss my new topic is beer nurturing process.
So what is beer? Beer is a fermented beverage made from malted barley, and malted barley contains starch particle. This starch converted into alcohol with the help of yeast. And beer is the most consumed alcoholic beverage in the world after tea or coffee. And where you can see world top 10 beer consuming countries according to WHO. First is Swallow and 10 is Estonia. So here you can see the main ingredients of beer processing. First is water, then starch source like barley, oats, rice, wheat, etc. And hops. Hops is a flour and it is used as a preservative and it gives bitter taste in beer. And yeast. Water. Beer contains 90% of water. In beer we use purely treated water, and if we not use purely treated water, it will cause the quality of beer. So here we use as a starch source like barley malt, and here you see the picture of barley and wheat, rice and malted grain. Where we use the main source of starch is barley, not wheat or rice. And hops. Hops is the main important substance in beer. It is a flowering wine whose flowers are used as preservative, and for their essential oil that give flavor and aroma to the beer. Here you see the hops